Are you ready for St. Patrick's Day? Let's make this cute country-style leprechaun hat today. What I'm going to use for the base of the leprechaun's hat is just a small terracotta pot that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use some green paint, and I'm going to give it a couple coats of green for the base of the hat. Now that I have my terracotta pot painted, I'm going to take some twine and wrap it around to use it as the hat band for more of a country look. And what I'm going to do to start and finish this is I'm going to use just a dab of hot glue to hold it on at both the beginning and the end. In order to make the bow for the hat band, I'm just going to take another piece of twine and wrap it around my fingers a couple of times. And then I am just going to take a second piece of twine and tie it around in order to make the bow. All right, and then again using hot glue, I'm just going to attach it to the front of our little hat here. Okay, and we can just flip these little bows out a little bit. Right, and there is our little leprechaun hat. So this was just a quick little tutorial on how for just $1 or $2, if you had to pick up the twine at Dollar Tree as well, you can make a cute little decoration for St. Patrick's Day. I'll be coming back soon with more crafts for you, so if you like this channel, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know when a new video comes out, please be sure to hit that notification button. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.